They taking down the artwork. Good morning. It's Monday morning. They taking down the artwork up here, all right, at the States Attorney's office. Mike, check! This is the States Attorney's office, and they took it down the artwork. Like I said, I'm exposing the corruption and the racism here, and it starts here at this office. Now they taking down this plywood, and they just put it up. So how much money did they spend to do this? We talking about the corruption and the racism going on, and you done took down everything that was here. Everything that was here, exposing it. You feel me? They took down the flag that had everybody's name on it. You feel me? They took down the flag. This is Baltimore. You feel me? Public accommodations. So we're gonna be up here protesting real hard. You feel me? This is artwork. And cause we was gonna put this all over Baltimore, like I said, we're gonna do art and activism. I was gonna do this all over Baltimore, exposing your corruption and your racism. Y'all done took this down this fast. How much money did you waste for this? You know what I'm saying? How much money did you waste for this? Cause we spent Saturday doing this. And y'all taking it down now. What did y'all do with the flag that was up there? Yo! This is the Department of Justice. They supposed to investigate Marilyn Mosby in her office. You want to talk about why we march? It's because y'all hiding and shielding the corruption and racism. Why we march? It's all on this toilet. Why we march? Y'all took the flag down. I don't know what y'all did with the flag, but all this was on there. You feel me? Y'all destroyed my artwork. This was our art piece here, and y'all taking it down. You feel me? These is the cases. It's about the war on drugs. We talking about what's going on? Let's talk about the war on drugs. That's what's going on. You feel me? How y'all doing? Y'all know what happened to my flag that was outside? I had some artwork outside. Do y'all know what happened to it? All right, this is the State's Attorney's office, right? State's Attorney's in here, right? Because I want to see the State's Attorney. All right, they got a thing of saying that I can't come in this building and I'm banned from this building. The State's Attorney's office is in this building. They got a law called public accommodations. So, pardon me? I was banned from the building for no reason. I got banned from the State's Attorney's office. So I'm going to start protesting and putting a whole lot more shit up here until I get access to the State's Attorney's office. You can call the police too. I'm going to make you call the police. Mark my words. We're going to get public accommodations. We're going to get my rights. I'm going to shut this shit down. I'm going to bring the protesters right here to this fucking office. Mic check! Yeah. Y'all having protests? We need to protest how they treat us. Y'all want to talk about the corruption? It's all here on the TV. We put it on the wall. Brandon Scott, Mayor Dixon, man. Mosby, you can't keep protecting the corruption. Like I said, it's right here. This is artwork. It's public accommodations, and I'm supposed to be accessing her office. You feel me? These is your elected officials. They can take the wall down, but they got to leave the toilet and the TV here. Leave the toilet and the TV here because it's covered under the Constitution. It's covered under the Constitution. Here go your toilet, and it's your State's Attorney's office. You want to know why we uprise and why we rioting? It's because of the laws y'all write. Because of the way you treat Black Baltimore. Call the police, like I said. This shit staying right here. That toilet staying right there. Take the toilet, I'm building another one. But when y'all sitting in them seats, y'all got to answer to us. We came to your house yesterday. We're going to bring the protest to the state's attorney's office. You going to see us at court today? I'm going to bring them down here to the state's attorney's office. I'm going to bring ex-felons down here. Watch me. Mic check! It's going to be on and popping today. Y'all got to march out in Towson at the courthouse, and you got to march at the courthouse here. I left them toilets in Towson in 2011, and I left toilets in Baltimore City. Them toilets represent how you treat black America, and you wonder why we march. We march because you treat us like shit. It's a fair exchange. Ain't no stick up without a gun. I can't get in the state's attorney's office to file charges against Shellenberger. I can't get in the state's attorney's office to file charges to access the grand jury. Mosby, you need to go to jail. You and your husband are creating a criminal enterprise to shield the corruption here in the Democratic Party. Shut me up? Dog, you can't shut me up and you can't shut me down. I'm coming to the events today. I'm going to be in Towson, and I'm going to be down here at the federal courthouse. I'm going to be leaving plenty of toilets over there, and I'm going to make you lock me up. I'm going to make you lock me up because SunTrust Bank participated in the fraud. They accepted them forged checks. A federal investigation on SunTrust Bank and Bank of America. We're going to talk about the prison industry and the money you make behind black bodies. You got a problem with me? Man, call the police. Call them. I go to jail for the right reasons. I'm going to be protesting in front of Mosby house, your job, wherever I see you at. I'm going to treat you. Hassan Giordano, you seen how Kelly and them shutted you down when y'all had that little Mosby thing? Dog, when he sit in the seat, he getting ready to go to jail. You got 52 people in the Democratic Party that's going to go to jail. We're going to frame the conversation. We're going to frame the conversation. Governor O'Malley's mom machine. GOP Carter going to testify or be a defendant. Andre Davis, you're going to testify or be a defendant, but we're going to break your criminal enterprise down. I named your judges. And I'm going to give you plenty more toilets. Like I said, we're going to frame the conversation, Brandon. We're going to frame the conversation. Y'all elect Brandon Scott. That's who you getting if you elect Brandon Scott. That's your new mayor, Governor O'Malley. Mic check! Shut this shit down.